Looking for a full garage door repair service? You are in the right place. We will service any type of garage door problem you have. No job is too big or small for our garage door repair professionals. Our full service includes garage door sales, garage door repairs, garage door installation, garage door openers, and all types of replacement parts for new and old garage doors. Our technicians are friendly and professional and can handle any situation. We guarantee you the fastest and high-quality services with the most affordable price for all your garage door needs. Our service door repair service is just a call away. What are you waiting for?